Social Welfare Minister, Shri. Lyngdoh in the presence of Law Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh today released the Khasi translation ki Kyndon ain of the POCSO Act 2012 at the program held at Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Addressing the gathering, Shri Lyngdoh said, "We have come together for the cause of humanity and to celebrate childhood. When we look forward to the days of one's youth, old age, but the golden era of one's life is childhood." He also said not all have had that share of joy, happiness in life. That is why it is so pertinent that as lawmakers and as stakeholders they come together to combat this evil of heinous crimes of sexual offences against children. Lyngdoh further said this day is a landmark day because for the first time after the introduction of Khasi alphabets way back in 1841, today we have this relevant law 10 years old POCSO in the Khasi script.
One may look forward to days of one's youth and old age, but the golden era of one's life is one's childhood. And I'm sure that would resonate with almost all of you. However, not all of us have had that share of joy, happiness, and mirth in life, which is why it's so pertinent that as lawmakers and as stakeholders in various fields of life, we come together to combat this evil, this heinous crime of sexual offenses against children and women. It's a landmark day because for the first time after the introduction of the Khasi alphabet way back in 1841, meaning about 80 years ago, today we have this relevant law, 10 years old, POCSO in the Khasi script. It's so very important because just last month I had a casual encounter, a conversation with a friend from one of the villages. And when I spoke about this deadly virus of attacks and assaults on children, he made a very uh, strange remark, something that woke up the my sense as a lawmaker when he said that if you talk about POCSO and child marriage in our village, if anybody has to be arrested, more than 70% of our men folk would be in jail, for all of them have married children.